Imagine a place where the ground itself seems to breathe, a landscape constantly in motion, both enchanting and perilous. Deep in the heart of the Pacific Ocean lies the island of Niuafu, part of Tonga, once known as Tin Can Island. In 1946, this remote island experienced a series of violent volcanic eruptions that dramatically reshaped its terrain. But the most astonishing twist? As lava flows threatened to swallow the island whole, locals ingeniously used the natural landscape to send and receive mail, casting sealed tin cans into the ocean for passing ships to collect. This unique postal system symbolized both the resilience and resourcefulness of the islanders, a testament to humanity's ability to adapt amidst nature's most unpredictable forces.